A profound philosophy unfolds, emphasizing the mastery of one's reactions in the face of external events. It encapsulates the belief that although we may not govern external circumstances, we wield authority over our responses to them. This principle echoes the Stoic notion that nothing can harm us without our consent, for our emotions lie within our dominion. The following exploration delves into 5 pivotal lessons derived from Stoicism, each serving as a beacon for navigating the complexities of life. Secret 1. Things in our hands and out of our control. There are threads firmly woven into the fabric of our control, and others that dance freely beyond our grasp. The Stoics, wise philosophers of ancient times, bestowed upon us the invaluable teachings that illuminate the boundaries of our dominion over the circumstances that unfold around us. Within the realm of our influence lie our thoughts, actions, and reactions, the sacred territory where our autonomy reigns supreme. It is here, in this sovereign domain, that the seeds of virtue are sown and cultivated, patiently tended by the hands of reason and mindfulness. Beyond this fortress of personal agency lies the expansive landscape of the uncontrollable. The Stoics, with their unwavering gaze upon reality, recognized that the ebb and flow of life often elude our mastery. The weather, the opinions of others, the twists and turns of fate, these are threads slipping through our fingers, subject to the whims of a universe indifferent to our desires. It is in acknowledging this immutable truth that the Stoic finds liberation, for in surrendering futile attempts to command the uncontrollable, one discovers a tranquil harbor amidst the turbulent seas of existence. To comprehend this dichotomy, imagine standing at the crossroads of 2 distinct realms. In one direction, the path is paved with the stones of deliberate action and conscientious thought, where the Stoic strides confidently. Here, personal responsibility thrives, and the individual is empowered to shape their character, nurture resilience, and forge a life in harmony with reason. This is the kingdom of our making, where the choices we make ripple through time, shaping the contours of our destiny. The other path meanders through a wilderness where external forces reign supreme. Storms of circumstance may gather overhead, casting shadows upon our journey. The Stoic traveler, however, does not falter. Instead, they navigate this unpredictable terrain with a steadfast spirit, recognizing that while they cannot control the tempest, they can choose how to weather it. It is in this recognition that the Stoic finds strength, drawing upon the wellspring of inner fortitude to confront challenges with a serene composure. In the Stoics' worldview, the distinction between what is within and beyond our control serves as a compass, guiding the way through the labyrinth of life. It is a call to action, an invitation to invest our energy wisely, channeling it into the realm of the attainable, rather than squandering it upon the capricious winds of the unattainable. For in this deliberate allocation of our focus lies the key to an undisturbed and purposeful existence. The Stoics' wisdom beckons us to sculpt a life of virtue within the boundaries of our agency, navigating the unpredictable currents of external events with grace. In mastering this delicate dance between the attainable and the uncontrollable, we discover a profound serenity, a serenity that transcends the tumultuous tides of life, leaving us anchored in the tranquil harbor of inner peace. Secret 2. Abuse and misconduct. In life's tough challenges, we must stay strong and calm. Stoicism, a philosophy about dealing with tough times, tells us to build a strong inner self. Bad things happening outside don't bother us. It's how we react to them that matters. Stoics say the only things we can control are our own thoughts. Abuse is a harmful force that can happen in different ways. Stoic minds stay strong, knowing we can't control what others do. Stoic people don't let external bad things disturb their peace. Instead, they build inner strength with wisdom, courage, justice, and moderation. Knowing we only control our thoughts and actions helps us survive abuse. Misconduct, bad behavior, can try to make us look bad. Stoicism says to stick to what's right. Stoics know others' actions show their character, and the world's judgments don't affect a virtuous soul. In Stoicism, we're not just victims of life, we shape our destiny. Stoics don't try to change the world, they focus on mastering themselves. By being virtuous inside, we can rise above abuse and misconduct, setting an example of moral goodness. When faced with abuse, Stoics don't fight back with anger or hate, as these only harm the soul. They respond calmly, understanding others' bad actions come from inner struggles. Responding kindly helps Stoics rise above abuse, leaving wrongdoers to face their actions. Similarly, when dealing with misconduct, Stoics stay true to virtue. They don't follow unethical behavior, but stand strong in morals. By being just and honest, Stoics become forces for good, inspiring others to be righteous too. Stoicism is a timeless guide for handling abuse and misconduct. By focusing on inner virtues and knowing we can't control everything outside, we can stay calm in life's challenges. Stoics aren't victims but masters of their destiny, pursuing a good and meaningful life. Secret 3. Keeping an eye on your objectives. A Stoic person focuses on their goals with determination, much like an archer aiming for a distant target. They understand the importance of concentrating on the journey rather than getting bogged down by obstacles. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches that a fulfilling life comes from navigating uncertainties with a calm and rational mind. To stay focused on goals, one must grasp the fleeting nature of external circumstances. Stoicism suggests recognizing the world's uncertainties and staying committed to personal and moral development despite unpredictable changes. A Stoic individual doesn't solely seek external rewards or others' approval. Instead, they look inward towards virtue and wisdom. Following Stoic principles like focusing on what's in our control and accepting what isn't creates a strong defense against unpredictable events. In pursuing objectives, a Stoic approach involves detachment from outcomes. It's not about being indifferent, but understanding that external events are beyond absolute control. The focus is on the process, character development, and skill refinement. Success is measured by achieving goals and maintaining integrity in the face of adversity. In Stoicism, setbacks are seen as opportunities for growth. Challenges test and refine an individual's mettle. Obstacles become stepping stones, and pursuing objectives becomes a noble endeavor regardless of the outcome. A Stoic person recognizes the transient nature of external accolades and possessions. They prioritize enduring values like inner character, knowledge, and meaningful relationships over temporary achievements. This approach builds a foundation that withstands time and remains unaffected by external circumstances. Adopting a Stoic perspective while pursuing objectives is a profound journey. It involves consciously choosing virtue as a guiding compass through life's turbulence. The Stoic remains committed to personal growth despite unpredictable events. By embracing Stoic principles like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, one can lead a fulfilling life that transcends the temporary. Secret 4. Handling criticized comments. Handling criticized comments is an art that helps maintain inner tranquility amidst external judgment. Stoicism teaches us to see criticism not as a weapon hurting the soul, but as a tool for self-improvement. When faced with disapproval, a Stoic response isn't defensive but open-minded, recognizing that external opinions are beyond control. The power lies in choosing how to react. In the face of criticism, the Stoic turns to self-awareness. Instead of getting caught in emotional turmoil, one calmly assesses the merit of criticism. Stoicism encourages sifting through comments, extracting truth for personal growth. The Stoic mind, like a resilient oak in a storm, bends but doesn't break under unfavorable opinions. Central to the Stoic approach is understanding that a critic's perspective is colored by their experiences, biases, and struggles. Internalizing this disarms criticism, seeing it as a reflection of the critic's worldview. The Stoic embraces empathy, recognizing everyone faces their own challenges. The Stoic response to criticism involves focusing on what can be controlled. External judgments are fleeting and beyond influence. Stoics invest energy in fortifying their internal world, thoughts, virtues, and actions. This commitment becomes a shield against the corrosive effects of unwarranted criticism. When faced with disparagement, a Stoic refrains from ego battles. Seeking vindication or retaliation isn't the goal. Energy is directed towards continuous self-improvement. This process arises from intrinsic motivation to align actions with virtues and principles. Stoicism provides wisdom to navigate criticized comments. It transforms external judgment from a threat into an opportunity for introspection and growth. Anchoring in self-awareness, recognizing the subjective nature of criticism, and focusing on what's within control, one emerges not as a victim, but as the architect of their character. In Stoicism, criticized comments weave a narrative of resilience, wisdom, and unwavering self-mastery. Secret 5. The power of thought. The influence of thought serves as a strong foundation, a fundamental element shaping our lives. Stoicism, rooted in ancient philosophy, praises the value of using this powerful force to navigate life's challenges. At its core, Stoicism is a timeless guide, encouraging individuals to build an inner fortress where the mind reigns supreme, unaffected by external events. In Stoicism, the belief in the authority of thought is crucial. Stoics argue that our perceptions, judgments, and reactions are within our control, forming the core of our mental structure. Facing challenges, it's not the events themselves but our chosen interpretations that define us. The power lies not in changing external circumstances, often beyond our control, but in shaping the internal dialogue within our minds. Consider the Stoic saying, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." This captures the Stoic view on the preciousness of time and the need to use the power of thought wisely. Time flows regardless of our desires, and Stoicism urges us to be mindful guardians of our mental realm, steering our thoughts towards virtue, wisdom, and tranquility. The Stoic sage, envisioned by ancient philosophers, is not emotionless, but a master of the mind, attuned to the harmonious melody of reason. Amid external chaos and emotional storms, the sage maintains a steady balance, realizing the power of thought is unstoppable. This inner resilience allows the sage to face life's ups and downs with a calm demeanor, seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. In the daily crucible of life's unpredictable events, Stoicism implores us to scrutinize our thoughts. The mind, like a skilled artisan, sculpts the narrative of our lives through the chisel of thought. By harnessing the power of thought, we can turn adversity into a crucible of resilience, shaping a character tempered by self-discipline and rational reflection. The power of thought, as emphasized by Stoicism, is the key to human agency. It shapes our perceptions, emotions, and responses, forming the fabric of our existence. Stoicism invites us to take control of our thoughts, molding them into tools of wisdom and virtue. In life's uncertain labyrinth, the power of thought serves as a reliable guide, lighting the way with the eternal flame of reason. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Stoic lessons explored in this comprehensive guide offer timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of life. Rooted in the philosophical insights of Epictetus, these principles underscore the importance of self-control, resilience, and unwavering commitment to one's values. As the Stoic manual of life imparts, understanding what lies within our control and embracing life with Stoic fortitude enables a transformative journey towards inner peace and fulfillment. In the pursuit of these timeless lessons, individuals find a path to a more resilient, authentic, and content existence.